Traders, I'm recording a video because I just entered a long trade, which is called a high-low confirmation trade. If I'm going to zoom in closely and use the counting technique, I have a felt second entry short combined with the mini second entry long. However, the second entry long never had a break above its high, so I couldn't really enter here. I waited for additional first entry short to fail, so basically high-low confirmation trade. I used deeper limit order because the risk was quite big, so I decreased the risk substantially. This is what I do when the bar is too big. We scalp for 10 ticks, so the scalp portion is made. If I'm going to zoom out, I have 2 legs down, support held. We traded up into the structure, and there can also be a little bit wider uptrend, something like this. So I can expect bullish continuation since there was no bearish reversal, only 2 legs down, and the support held, which is telling me that the buyers deem this price level important. Push above EMA is the resumption. So this is why I took high-low confirmation trade of the second entry long and a felt second entry short. And I expect prices to go a little bit higher now. Right, traders, our runner is doing really well. We have 2 contracts right now that are running, working higher. This push phase was much bigger than I initially anticipated. We have right now locked in around 11.5 points. If market keeps going higher, I will still keep tightening this, stay in the game. I'm not gonna close the trade immediately. If I trail it like this, I can still keep myself in the game and still capitalize on this push phase working higher. I decided to redraw some wider channel. We'll see how that holds.